Dear students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. I welcome you all to this offline English class. Nature is a beautiful creation of God which He blessed to us as a precious gift. Dear students, in this session, we'll understand the prose, the gifts of nature. Please open your English textbook. I am going to read pre-reading task. Listen to your teacher's questions and answer them. Man cannot live without the gifts nature has given him. Yes, it's true. Human cannot survive without nature. Name 3 gifts nature has given us. Everything humans have needed to survive and thrive was provided by natural world around us. Food, water, medicine, materials for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Nature gave us many things. The most important gifts from nature are sunlight, trees, water, and air. We all know that without these, there is no life. Why does water get polluted? Water pollution can be caused in a number of ways. As you all know, one of the most polluting being city sewage and industrial waste discharge. Chemical waste from factories is sometimes dumped into the rivers and lakes or directly into the ground. Pesticides applied to farmland enter surface water and groundwater, often in large quantities. Some pollutants slowly break down into harmless chemicals. Water also gets polluted because we throw waste and garbages to it. Why does air get polluted? Air gets polluted because of the smoke emitted by vehicles and factories, and also by burning crackers. Air also gets polluted when forests are cut down. Why is soil losing its fertility? What is soil fertility? Soil fertility is the ability of soil to sustain plant growth and optimize crop yield. This can be enhanced through organic and inorganic fertilizers to the soil. Soil is losing its fertility because of overexploitation, deforestation, and through soil pollution. Overexploitation is the action or fact of making excessive use of a resource. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees in a large area or the destruction of forests by people. Why does man destroy forest? Students, can you answer this question? Yes, what you said, even that's right. The ever-growing human consumption and population is the biggest cause of forest destruction due to the vast amount of resources, products, services we take from it. Sometimes, man is destroying forests by his greediness to become rich by cutting them down discriminately. What happens if man becomes too greedy and selfish? Exactly. Man will ultimately destroy the earth. He will destroy everything in the nature without thinking of other living beings and eventually destroy himself. So, nature is the beautiful creation of God which He blessed to us as a precious gift. It's our duty to save our nature and not to destroy it. Dear students, in this session we have discussed the pre-reading task of the prose, The Gifts of Nature. I hope you all have understood. Now, I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a great day.